Hello students, welcome back to our channel haneshdawe.co. Now students, those who are subscribed our channel, thanks a lot, and those who are not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Now student, in this video, we are going to solve 8th standard lesson number 10, division of polynomial, Maharashtra board, practice set 10.2. In a previous video, we had already solved practice set 10.1. The link of this I will mention in the description box. Now students, let us proceed with practice set 10.2. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. Y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. Now student, this is a dividend and this is our divisor. This is in a polynomial form, you can say trinomial, and this is our binomial. So our divisor is in a binomial form. Now how to divide this? First of all, you will draw this way line. You will write this y square plus 10y plus 24. And here you will write divisor y plus 4. The very first step would be dividing y square by y. So first divide y square by y. We are dividing here. Y square by y. It means you will get y because y square by y, one y will get cancelled, only y will be left. So here you will write this y. Yes. Now after this you multiply divisor into this. This is our divisor. So divisor into this quotient. So y into y, y square. And always remember the same term will come here. Because with whom we are dividing, the same we are multiplying. So it will be same. So y into y, y square. Y into 4 is 4y. After this students, you change the sign. This will become negative, this will become negative. Then after this y square minus y square will get cancelled. You will get 0. Now 10 minus 4, you have to put the opposite sign. Plus ka minus, here nothing is there, means plus ka minus. Now 10 minus 4, what is 10 minus 4? 6y plus 6y. Sign of the greater number. Plus 24. Now student, you divide 6y by y. Same step. 6y by y. So here 6y upon y. What you will get? Only 6 because y will get cancelled. So here we will write plus 6. Now you multiply 6 multiply by y plus 4. 6 multiply by y plus 4. So 6 into y is what? 6y. That is plus 6y. 6 into 4 is what? 24. So you write plus 24. Again, what will happen? The sign will change. Minus, minus. Plus ka minus. Now here, this 6y and plus 6y. Plus 6y minus 6y will get cancelled, you get 0. Now plus 24 minus 24 also give you 0. So this will be your final answer. And then we'll write down the quotient and the remainder. So here, our quotient is what? Y plus 6. And what is our remainder? Our remainder is 0. This way to do the sum. Second sum students, p square plus 7p minus 5 divided by p plus 3. So this is our again dividend and this is our divisor. So this is in a trinomial form, this is in a binomial form. The same method like a previous sum, we will write this way. These are already in a standard form. Standard form means p square plus 7p minus 5. Means 2, 1 and nothing is there. This is called constant. And here we write p plus 3. Now same method again. First step, p square divided by p. So we are writing here p square divided by p. What will you get p square divided by p? You will get it as p. This p we are writing here. Now multiply p into p, p square. P into 3, 3p. After this, what is the next step? Changing the signs. Don't forget to change the sign. So here it will become minus, plus ka minus. So what we will get here? this p square will get cancelled. Now 7p minus 3p. 7p minus 3p is what? 4p minus 5. Now the next step would be what? Same. Always you have to divide this first term by this first term. Here also first term by this first term. Same method here. 4p upon p. 4p upon p. So pp will get cancelled. What will get? 4. So what will write here? Plus 4. Now 4 into p is 4p. 4 into 3 is 12. Now your work will be changing the sign. So here minus plus ka minus. So sign has changed. After this 4p and minus 4 will get cancelled, will get 0. Here also you will get 0. If you don't write 0, it's okay. If you write 0, then also it is okay. Now minus 5 minus 12. Minus 5 minus 12 will give you minus 17. So 0 minus 17 means minus 17 is the answer. So your question is what? P plus 4. And what is your remainder? Your remainder is minus 17. Third sum, students. 3x plus 2x square plus 4x cube divided by x minus 4. Now if you see here, the powers are reversed. 1, power 1, 2, 3. So we will write in a descending order. They are written in ascending order. We will write in descending order. Descending order मतलब क्या? बड़े से छोटा. So that is very very important. Then only you can start with your sum here. So here I am writing 4x cube will write it first. Cube will come first. Then square. Then power 1. X is to the 1. Here constant is not given. So we write it as 0. Whatever terms are missing we write in a 0 form. 0 does not have a value. But why we are writing? To get the correct answer. Okay. So now here what we write? X minus 4. Now what is the first step? 4x cube divided by x. Your first step. Divided by x. So you will get 4x square. So here we are writing 4x square. Now x into 4x square. 4x cube. Minus 4 into 4. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So minus 16. X square. See, you are writing like terms below like terms. So now here the sign will change. So you will get minus. Minus का हो जाएगा plus. Sign has to be changed. Now this will get cancelled. This will give you 0. Now plus 2 plus 16. Follow the new sign. Plus 2 plus 16 is what? Plus 18. 17, 18. Plus 3x plus 0. Now the next step. 18x square divided by x. Only first term divided by first term. So what will you get? 18x. Because this 1x will get cancelled with this 1x. So only 1x will be left. So what will you write here? Plus 18x. Now x into 18x is 18x square. That is plus. Okay. Now this minus 4 into 18. Minus 4 into 18. 8 4s are 32. Here minus because plus into minus is minus. 8 4s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. Means minus 72x. Again the sign will change. Minus plus. So here this will get cancelled. You will get 0. Now plus 3 plus 72. Plus 3 plus 72 will be what? Plus 75x. Plus 0 if you don't write it is okay because now it is no use. So what you got? 75x. Now students, this also you can divide. If you want you can continue with 0. Let us see. So 75x divided by x. What we will get? 75. So we write here plus 75. Now student, once you get constant here, it means your division is almost over now. So this will be the last step. X into 75 is what? 75x. That is plus. Minus 4 into 75. Minus 4 into 75. 4s are 20. Plus into minus minus first of all. 5 4s are 20. 0. 7 are 28. 29, 30, 300. So again the sign will change. So you will get here minus and here you will get plus. Now this will get cancelled. So you get 0. Now 0 plus 0 plus 300 is what? Plus 300. This is the use of writing 0. So that the sum get balanced. You will not get confused. Final answer. So our question. What is our question? 4x square plus 18x plus 75. And what is our remainder? Our remainder is 300. So this we had done the writing of the final answer. Fourth sum, students. 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 divided by 2m minus 1. So student, this is our dividend and this is our divisor. Let us start solving the sum. Now this is your 2m minus 1 and here you will write in the decreasing power, or you can say ascending order. Ascending order means what? 3, 2, 1 and constant. Now the first step, students, 2m cube divided by 2m. 2m cube divided by 2m. 2 will get cancelled. Here only m square will be left. So first will be m square. So you got here m square. Your next step, 2m into m square is what? 2m cube. Minus 1 into m square is what? Minus m square. Now students will change the sign. So you will become, this will become minus, this will become plus. Now here this will get cancelled, we get 0. Now m square plus m square is what? Plus 2m square plus m plus 9. Now again you will divide this 2m square by 2m. So here 2m square by 2m. So 2 get cancelled, only 1 m will be left. M square and m will get cancelled, only 1 m will be left. So here we will write plus m. Now students, you multiply 2m into m is 2m square. Here always the same term will come. Minus 1 into m is what? Minus m or minus 1m. Now students, here again the sign will change. Minus plus. So what will get here? This will get cancelled. You will get 0. Now m plus m is what? Plus 2m. And here plus 9. Now 2m divided by 2m. 2m divided by 2m will get cancelled. You will get 1. So you will write plus 1. Same process. 2m into 1. 2m. Minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1. Now we will change the sign. Minus plus. So what you will get here? This will get cancelled. You will get 0. Now student, plus 9 plus 1 will be plus 10. So this is our remainder. Let us note down the final answer. Question. Our question is m square plus m plus 1 and our remainder is 10. This way to solve the sum. Fifth sum, students. 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube divided by 2 plus x square. Now students, there are many things has to be rearranged here. First of all, we will write 2 plus x square. Instead of this we will write x square plus 2. Then this we will write in the descending order. X raised to 4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12. So this is the required form. 4, 3, 2, 1 and constant. Now the same method what we had done previously. X raised to 4 divided by x square. X raised to 4 divided by x square. What will you get? X square. 4 minus 2, 2. Law of indices also you can use because it is in division. So we write here x square. Now student multiply x square into x square, x raised to 4. 2 into x square is what? Plus 2x square. So plus 2x square will come here. Like terms below like terms. Because x square is it will come below x square. Don't worry about cube. Now here it will come minus. Here minus. Now this will get cancelled. So what will remain here? X cube, because plus minus becomes 0. So here x cube. Now minus 3 minus 2x square is what? Minus 5x square plus 3x minus 12. Now divide this x cube by x square. X cube by x square. What will you get here? X. 3 minus 2, 1. So you will get right here plus x. Now multiply x square into x. X cube. 2 into x. 2x. See again. Like terms. We are leaving this because if you write here, this is not a like term. This is x square and this is x. So write like terms below like terms. This will give you minus. Minus. Now this will get cancelled, plus minus. So what will be left here? Minus 5x square. 3 minus 2 is 1x. So we write plus x. 1x or x means 1 and the same. Minus 12. Now divide here minus 5x square upon x square. X square get cancelled. Minus 5. So we will write here minus 5. Now x square into minus 5, minus 5x square. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Now students see, again this term is left. So you should be very careful. Here plus, here plus. Now, so what will be left? This will get cancelled. So you will get x minus 12 plus 10. Minus 12 plus 10 will be minus 2. Now students, x divided by x square is not possible because here the power of x is less and here the power of x is more. So you can't divide. So this will be the final answer. So this is our remainder. So final answer here, your question. What is your question? X square plus x minus 5. And what is your remainder? Your remainder is what? X minus 2. This way to solve the sum. Sixth sum, students. A raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1 divided by a cube minus 2. This is our dividend. This is our divisor. Let us start with the sum. Now here let us start in a descending order. A raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1 and here a cube minus 2. Now first step, all are in a Descending order, yes. 4, 3, 2, 1 constant. Let us divide a raised to 4 upon aq. This will give you a, so we will write here a. Now a cube into a is a raised to 4. Minus 2 into a is what? Minus 2a. We will write here. Change the sign. Minus plus. After this will get cancelled. So you will be left with what? Minus a cube plus a square. Minus a plus 2a will be plus a plus 1. Now again, minus a cube upon a cube. Again this will get cancelled, you get minus 1. So you will get here minus 1. A cube into minus 1 minus a cube. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Sign will change. Plus minus. This will get cancelled, plus a cube minus a cube plus a cube. So you will be left with what? A square plus a. Plus 2 minus 2 is minus 1. Now students, ax square and a cube, this power is less and this power is more. So you can't divide. So this will be your final answer. So our question is a minus 1 and our remainder is a square plus a minus 1. This is the way to do the sum. Seventh sum, 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. Now here let us write in a descending order. So here we are writing 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube. Square is not there, so we will write 0x square. Okay, the missing term. Cube is there? No. X is there? Yes. Minus 7x plus 1. Please student pay attention, this slight complicated sum. 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Now let us divide. 4x raised to 4 divided by 4x. 4 will get cancelled, you will get x cube. So first we will write x cube. Now 4x into 4x cube is what? 4x raised to 4. Then minus 1 into x cube is what? Minus x cube. Now students, let us change the sign. Minus plus. So here this will get cancelled. Minus 5x cube plus x cube will give you minus 4x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 1. Now let us divide again. Minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube divided by 4x. You will get minus x square because your minus is there. So you will get a minus x square. Now minus 4x into minus x square is what? Minus 4x cube. Minus 1 into minus x square is what? Plus x square. Now sign get changed. So here we become plus, here minus. After this will get cancelled. So 0 minus 1 will be what? Minus x square minus 7x plus 1. Now students, this power is more, so let us divide minus x square upon 4x. Here x and this will get cancelled, so 1x will be there. So minus x upon 4. First time you are getting in fraction. So minus x upon 4. Now 4x into minus x upon 4 will give you minus x square. That we know very well. Minus 1 into minus x upon 4 will give you plus x upon 4. Again change the sign. This will become plus, this will become minus. Now this will get cancelled, students. So you will get minus 7x. Now pay attention. How to solve this? Minus 7x minus x upon 4. Denominator is not same, so you have to do cross multiply. 7 4s are 28x minus x upon 4. So you will get minus 29x upon 4. So what we will get here? Minus 29x upon 4 plus 1. Yes, can we divide this? Yes, it is possible. So again we will divide this part. Minus 29x upon 4 divided by 4x. So minus 29x upon 4 multiply by 1 upon 4x. If you do divide ka multiply, it will become multiplicative inverse. So here xx will get cancelled. So what will get? Minus 29 upon 16. Yes students, so what we will write here? Minus 29 upon 16. Constant has come, so our division is almost over. If you multiply 4x into this minus 29 upon 16, you will get 29x upon 4. And this you multiply minus 1 into this. So minus into minus plus 1 into 29 upon 6 will be what? 29 upon 16. Sorry, it is 16 here. Again the sign will get changed. So here plus and here minus. Okay, now this will get cancelled. So what we will get? Again we have to solve. 1 minus 29 upon 16, students. Denominator is not same, so directly you can't do. 16 ones are 16 minus 29 upon 16. So here minus 29 minus 16. 9 minus 6 3. 2 minus 1 1. So minus 13 upon 16. Correct? 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what we get here? Minus 13 upon 16. This will be the remainder. So students, final answer. Our question. What is our question? X cube minus x square minus x upon 4 minus 29 upon 16. And what is our remainder? Our remainder is minus 13 upon 16. This way to do the sum. Students, that's all for the day. So we complete our practice set 10.2. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.